Dude, did you realize it's raining? I'm cold. We're stuck in a garage. Our house is over there. And frickin'...
You shouldn't have brought your sweatshirt like me.
I'm not cold. It's just...
Well, look inside. It's all
You
wrinkled.
can't read.
Yes,
If
I
you
can.
touch the rain, you die. Dude, Jack Amariff! He's the guy who killed himself in the rain. Oh my god. What do we do? Oh, we're stuck out
Look
here.
at those hills.
I'm so stupid. Oh yeah, we cover ourselves with these.
Well, where should we go?
Oh, yeah. In the house, of course.
Well, hey, wait! Look at the sign. Caution. This door must be kept closed. That means it's locked forever.
Ah! What do we do?
I don't know, but I'm taking one of these and going into the...
All right,
Let's try to find...
dude. I've been to this house before. Remember?
Oh, yeah.
Remember that? You weren't there, but we had a. Man, I forget.
A birthday party?
No. We had a sword battle there with my friends.
Yeah.
Yeah, you were
I was in it.
inside robbing the house. Remember?
Yeah.
Yeah. So I know that there's a down in the basement. There's a door.
Okay, come on, let's go, let's go.
Just don't let the rain hit you. Don't run because it'll make the wind like push the rain into you.
What is that? It's like burning.
You get rain on you, you disintegrate in 1 to 5 milliseconds.
What the? No trespassing.
Hop bump.
This isn't where you'll die! No trespassing or you'll die. Oh my gosh. I think that's the end of him. Well, since he's dead, I'm dead.